Stay on the right side, enjoy the drive. Have a good day, sir.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Hey, all, Russ here. Welcome to 17-mile drive at Pebble Beach. This is actually Pacific Grove. Made it through. We're gonna go watch it rain. Just a pretty good shower. I'm gonna go up here and park. We'll wait it out. But I see blue sky, patches of blue sky around. Right here, this is the first stop, but all it is trees. I've been here before, so I kind of know where I want to go. All right, let me jump in the back. We'll check out the map while it's raining. Might as well, got a van. Look at it coming down, it's pouring. Welcome to the messy van. Yeah, looks like I live in it. I do. All right, let me get the map out. We'll check out where we're gonna go and then wait for it to stop raining. Okay, here's the map. They give it to you when you come in. It's $10 to go around. Right there, that's where we are. And you follow the dotted line. The streets are marked. Right up here is where we're gonna go. That's the best place. I've filmed here before. Way up there. Then we'll head down. But that stretch right there, that's where I'll do the filming. And then we'll keep on trucking. A lot of residential in this thing too. So, okay, let's wait for the rain to stop. What's the old saying? Don't like the weather, wait 5 minutes. Okay, sun's shining, let's go. Look at the blue sky. I know the camera's not picking it up, but there's black areas, big black clouds. So we're gonna be in between showers, but hey, this is good enough. We'll make it work while we're here. Let's go check out 17-mile drive. See the red stripe in between the yellow lines? That's what marks the road you follow. There's several golf courses and, of course, mansions. I mean, everywhere. There's apartments, condos. They've built to the max on this whole area. But my goodness, look at it. This is very exclusive. Big bucks here. A lot of gold-plated real estate signs. We're not too far off. The ocean's to the left, and we'll be there just in a few. Yay, made it. Okay, we're on the upper peninsula. Part of the peninsula, I guess you'd call it. And here's the ocean. Okay, I'll stop. We'll do a quick walk down to the beach and then we'll keep going. There's a couple places right up the road here that are great for filming. I'm gonna try to do a live stream too for live view. That'll be on Facebook, that won't be on YouTube. Okay, let me get parked. Grab the other camera, walk down to the beach. Okay, there you go. Pacific Ocean on Pacific Grove. I'm pretty sure that's the name of this area, Pacific Grove. And Pebble Beach would be down the road a few miles. Look at it, huh? Listen to the waves. Okay, we'll jump the van, head back down towards Pebble Beach. If you Google this, you can download the map for 17-mile drive. See the different locations here. Alright, Look at the clouds. We're gonna get rained on again. Oh well. I ain't got nothing to do. Well, I'll take my time here. We'll just wait them out. Oh, cool. There's parking here. This is actually a golf hole for one of the big courses. It's been on TV and everything. We'll film it. So I'm going to park here. Okay, I just waited out about 10 minutes of rain. This is Point Joe. Beautiful, huh? Really hear the waves crashing on the rocks. Right there's a tee. That's a golf tee, that green. There's a storyboard about Point Joe. And let's go over here. I'll show you the golf hole, what it looks like. It's amazing. Okay, it's a par 3. I forget, I think it's Poppy Hills or Spyglass, one of the two golf courses. But you need a rocket launcher to hit a ball down in that wind. If you're into golf, you've seen this on television. They televise a lot of tournaments here. Check it out, what a view. Huh? Isn't this neat? Okay. Oh, look at the bird. Another RVerTV fan. Alright, I'm going to set up for a live stream. I'm going to live stream this area here. Okay. I'll get set up. I'll do my live stream, then we'll keep on trucking down 17-mile drive. All done. If you want to see the live streams, go to Facebook. That's where they're being posted right now. Once I get them going, they're going to be posted on a lot of different platforms. But I'm still in the learning curve of doing them. So everything goes on Facebook right now. Look at that lone tree out there in that green, huh? Alright, down here just a little ways is a big rock with a bunch of seals on it. We're going to stop there next. Okay, here we are. There's Seal Rock, Seal Beach, something like that. Huge tourist area. Always people here. Today I think the rain's holding out a lot of people. I've seen buses here before. Okay, I don't know if you can hear them in this wind noise. They are squawking out there, all them seals and birds. Okay, I have my Canon out. I'm using the Canon camera. I'm gonna zoom in on the rock, see if we can't get some pictures and see if you can hear them. Yeah, sorry, the wind is just too fierce. It's drowning most of it out, but if you ever get out here, check out this Seal Rock. Look at all them guys, huh? Right, I'm gonna head on down the road. Yeah, that wind is fierce. It's kind of nice to be out of it. Boy, that is really gusting out there. Golf courses on the left, beach on the right. I mean, this is paradise for sure. The history here, oh, I don't know how far back it goes. This whole area. Monterey, all of it. I mean, it goes way back. You can just see how pristine everything is. What a pretty drive. Look how cool the trees look. Look at the shapes of them things. Looks like someone crawled up there and gave him a haircut. Alright, there's one more area I want to stop and we'll film it, and then I'm getting tired. Been a long day. Beautiful homes. They're all gated. They're hard to see, but they are absolutely, they're like castles, some of them. Big mansions. Okay, which one's this? Nope. Next one. There ain't a whole lot to see at this one. Ocean's quite a ways away. Let's go down to the next stop, and then we'll get out. That's the one I filmed before, I believe. Okay, there's my new place on the right. Yeah, right. I couldn't even afford the bush that's in the lawn. Oh man, look at them things, huh? Okay, here we go. This is it. I forget the name of it. Some kind of tree, ghost tree. I think it's a ghost something. This is it. Let me get parked here. We'll do a quick walk around. Sprinkling, but not too bad. And the sign. Yep, ghost trees. That's one. Let's go check it out. Not a real big area. Warning, don't jump. Look at the water crashing between the rocks down there. That's cool. I got some storyboards over here. Look at, there's more rain coming in. You can see it off to the south there. Beautiful. Viewfinders and storyboard. Nice, huh? Okay, here's the ghost tree. Look at that thing. Wonder how old. Look at that. Huh. Look at the shape of it. Been laying there for who knows. Look at the other trees. They're just all, they're dead, but they're still standing. Think of the amount of storms and wind and all that. Look at that one. Looks like someone cut it. Huh. There's your ghost trees. Pretty cool. Well, alright. It's getting pretty good time in the afternoon. I gotta go all the way back to Salinas at the Elks. That's where I'm gonna spend the night again. Well, cool. That's the last stop. I'm going to drive out of here. We're going to drive right past Pebble Beach, the world famous golf course. And here it is. This is the world famous Pebble Beach. I think next month they got one of the big tournaments here. US Open, I believe. One of them. I'm not sure. I don't follow golf that close anymore. But it will be packed and televised. Look at the rain starting again. Huh. Hey, we didn't do bad though. All of our stops between raindrops, we did very, very well. Not bad at all. What a great day. Any day on the ocean's a good day. They got public parking here, but I'm tired. I'm not gonna march around in the rain. But if you're around here, I mean, for $10 you can't beat it. And also you get your $10 back if you buy food at one of the restaurants, gift shops and all that. There's all kinds of stuff here to do. All I did was take video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This was, once again, 17-mile drive, Pacific Grove and Pebble Beach. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. Follow along, that little bell icon. You get notifications of new videos. Also, if you want to support the channel, down in the description there are links. Buy a t-shirt, Amazon store, even buy me a cup of coffee. Alright, there's Russ signing off now. Hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget to travel safe. Talk soon. Probably from Sacramento. Take care.